Next, if you like cats, you want more? If you like cats, we have a few good reasons why an older cat may be just what you're looking for.
Most older cats have their personalities already set in. You don't have to wonder what kind of a cat you're going to end up with. Kittens can be kind of crazy, and this is what older cats like to do, is just sit and be loved and just feed them and pet them and brush them, and they cuddle with you. They're out of their teenage years, they're out of their craziness, they just want to hang out, and they know when they're being rescued. You know, older cats are just, thank you for taking me.
Like Dee Dee, I am a volunteer in the cat room, and I get to play with cats as much as I want. And we also get to assist, which is, I guess, our major job, is to getting our kitties adopted, because this is just a temporary stop for them. So we do try to find out as much as we can about them, including what we're doing right now, which is just holding on to them and petting them.
All right.
And so that we are able to tell potential adopters about their good points and sometimes about their points that maybe not so good, but we believe in full disclosure here at the shelter. And I particularly love senior cats because, as Dee Dee says, they are what they are, you know what they are, and they love to be, if they don't like to be in your lap, they love to be nearby and just in the room with you. And you don't have to worry about getting them to play or anything other than just making sure they're happy where they are, feeding them, make sure they got the right water. And they're just always so grateful. That's what's so wonderful about them. They seem to sometimes come in waves. We have several senior cats right now. Unfortunately, the reasons aren't so happy. Usually, sometimes people die, people have to move. Sometimes there's grandchildren or even regular children, and they have allergies, and it just happens that they come in and they're just a little bit older, and we think that makes them a whole lot better, though.
We come in and we love them, we take notes on them, we brush them, we get to know them, so when people come in and say, oh, I'm looking for a cat that is a lap cat, I'm looking for a cat to play, I'm looking for a cat who likes dogs, you know, we can say, oh, well, from their notes we know this, and from our interactions we know that. And we are, I guess, a step between the adoption counselors who do the final adoptions and, you know, them just walking in and grabbing a cat. You know, if we know a cat doesn't get along well with children, then we say, you know, you might want to try this cat instead.
Just one before we hit the road. Here. Now, if you have an older cat who is lonely because of the loss of a feline companion, another senior cat would make a perfect adoption choice. Now, here are the top 10 reasons for adopting older cats. Number 10, senior cats are some of the hardest to find homes for. So when you adopt a senior cat, you are truly saving a life. Number 9, senior cats often know that scratching posts, not furniture, are for scratching, and toys, not hands or feet, are for biting. Number 8, speaking of relaxing, senior cats make great napping buddies. Number 7, senior cats are often content just to relax in your company, unlike younger cats who may get into mischief because they're bored. Number 6, a senior cat won't grow any larger, so you know exactly how much cat you're getting. Number 5, senior cats are already litter trained and are less likely to forget where the litter box is. Number 4, a senior cat knows basic household etiquette, like not attacking your feet at night. Number 3, you can teach an old cat new tricks. Senior cats have the attention span and impulse control that makes them easier to train. Number 2, a senior cat's personality has already developed, so you'll know if he or she is a good fit for your family. And number 1, when senior cats are adopted, they seem to understand that they've been rescued and are all the more thankful for it. So stop by the shelter and meet some of our senior cats available for adoption.